Hi folks, I'm Mark Johnson, and today I'm with my crew from Artisan Restoration over between Red Wing and Lake City on the Mississippi, where we're working on a barn for a fellow who wants to see it restored. Got a little work to do on them cupolas up there; they're kind of rusted out, and uh, and we got some issues with the roof we need to address, and the foundation wall. This wall over here is an old stone wall. It's called a rubble wall. It's built out of stone interface and an outer face, and the inside is filled with rubble. And it's pulled away from the inner wall, and in doing so, it's pushed out the 6x6 sill. So none of the floor joists are resting on anything over here. And we are in the process of winching the sill back into its original position so we can reattach the floor joist and extend the ends of them where they have rotted right off. But we've got jacks in the basement that are holding up the floor that I'm standing on, and we've got a winch in place right here. There's a strap for this winch where we're pulling it in, and then we noticed that end over there was moving outward. So now we've got that secured. We're going to go downstairs and we're going to start working on the pulling it in again. So hopefully we can get that in there and secured, because tomorrow I have an excavator coming over here who is going to take out the soil behind the wall and the wall for us so we can pour a new concrete wall next week. Here you can see the jacks we've got in place to hold up the floor, and we got our brand new winch right here to pull it in, and hopefully that'll all be successful so we can tie it together, put the post back on the sill, and then we're going to take the jacks out and we're going to try to support the sill so that the wall can be removed and the barn will stay where it belongs. So that should be real interesting. We'll look at it. We'll look at that tomorrow when concrete's supposed to be coming in the afternoon after the excavator leaves, so we can do a new footing. And next week we'll start pouring the wall.